soars to the deep blue sea. Learn and grow with me. A is for albatross. A is for albatross, fly so high. Toroa soaring in the sky. Big wings stretch as he flies. Can you spread your wings out wide like an albatross? Flap, flap, flap. Flap, flap, flap. You've got it. A is for albatross. A is for albatross. A is for albatross. A says ah. B says b. B is for blue penguin, waddle, waddle, flap. Little pink feet go tap, tap, tap. Kōura's beak goes snap, snap, snap. Can you waddle side to side like a blue penguin? Waddle, waddle, waddle. That's it! B is for blue penguin. B is for blue penguin. B is for blue penguin. B says b. C says k. C is for crayfish. Can you see Kōura hiding in the sea? Can you snip, snip, snip your claws with me? Can you snip your claws together like a crayfish? Snip, 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 snip. Well done. C is for crayfish. C is for crayfish. C is for crayfish. C says k. D says da. D is for Dotterel. Run, run, run. Tūturiwhatu in the sun. On the beach having so much fun. Can you run fast like a Dotterel? Faster, faster, faster. Wow, you're so fast. D is for Dotterel. D is for Dotterel. D is for Dotterel. D says da. E says air. E is for eel, long and sleek. Tuna gliding in the creek. A slippery eel, long and sleek. Can you wriggle like an eel? Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle. Look at you go. E is for eel. E is for eel. E is for eel. E says air. A, B, C, come along with me. Learning through the land and sea. From the green, green forest to the deep blue sea. Learn with Tipi the seed. That's me. Can you find somewhere in Aotearoa where one of today's animals lives? Maybe a beach, a river, a harbour, or even your local wildlife reserve. Remember, good explorers always look carefully and leave nature just as they found it. A, B, C, come along with me.